What a gorgeous night this turned out to be. I'm at Quail Creek, got my Minn-kota Riptide Terrova. It's a 112-pound thrust, 36 volt. This thing's a beast, and it works great. I'm not sure how well it would have worked with if I only had like an 80-pound thrust and like a windy, crappy day and being at Fish Lake or whatever. But here, it was a little bit windier earlier, but now it is gorgeous. Looks amazing. I'm on spot lock right now, and this tree right in front of me has just been right there. Maybe a little bit this way, maybe a little bit that way, but yeah, I've just been casting right through here because it's like right to my side, and casting over here and right there. Just see if I can catch any black crappie. No luck so far. I got a crappie jig on there. Black and chartreuse, or what some people like to call it, Mountain Dew color. So it's just gorgeous. It's not quite glass, but I mean, you can see reflection. Minn-kota's just doing its thing up there, being all nice and quiet. Sun's just barely going behind the mountains. Saw a ton of fish right over there, and I think I'm gonna head over that way.